Oh my god. It is freezing outside. Absolutely negative degrees outside. It's like Antarctica. So definitely 100% not filming a video out there. So this is January 2nd. I'm gonna run through all the things I got in the month of December. This is basically a monthly pickup. You know, let's get right into it. For Christmas, what did I get? Shout out to my mom. She blessed me with the Crep Protect kit. Shout out to Crep Protect. If you guys wanna sponsor me, you know, just hit me up. So I got the Crep Protect for my mom. I got this corner shelf for my mom. This thing is cold. It's a little bit smaller than I would have liked, but still blessed me with the corner shelf. That's very cold, very nice. Thank you, mom. We're gonna bring out 2 pairs of shoes, in my opinion, that I really like. So one of these shoes was in my top 10, I think, or it was in the copper drop the other day. It's the Wheats. These are, shout out to my girlfriend, bro. Like, these are crazy. Alright, on to number 2 of the shoes that I picked up. Got these NMDs, olive colorway. You know, these are my first pair of NMDs. I really like them. I never knew how NMDs would fit or feel on me, but I really like these. These are super comfortable. You know, shout out to my girlfriend. Just amazing, bro. I can't believe it. I got plugged with this balaclava from StockX. Got it.
Baklava. No, I'm playing.
Whatever.
I don't know how it's pronounced.
Anyway, this was on my Christmas wish list, so. This is one of my favorites just because I can wear it during the. This is one of my favorites just because I can wear this while I'm snowboarding, and like when you're snowboarding, you're going on pretty fast, kind of cold, so I like this because it covers up my face. All right, on to the next thing. I just picked this up actually like maybe a week ago or something. Shout out to my girlfriend's dad. He's a plug. Caught me this controller charger thing. Basically just holds the controllers like this, kind of cold. Shout out to him. And then if we make our way over here, I had an Xbox One, but I traded it in and got this Xbox One S. Alright, shout out to Jared for that because, you know, we made all this arrangement work and I only ended up paying like, I don't know, a couple dollars for that, so. So for my final and favorite pickup of the year, this is my first Supreme clothing item I've ever copped, and I really love it just because it's the only Supreme item I've like ever owned besides the balaclava. But this is a Supreme hoodie, compact or whatever it's called. Very subtle, but I really like it. As you can see, it's just a nice light blue or cyan, whatever.
I'd say aqua.
Something like that, yeah. Yeah, just something light, you know. I like it. First purchase ever. I think it's great, so. If you guys did enjoy this pickups of the month, make sure to leave a comment down below. So let me know what you guys actually think. Let me know if we should like do this throughout the rest of the months because, you know, we're copping stuff slowly. So hope you guys enjoyed this room tour of my room coming very soon. Comment down below if you guys like this video. Make sure to click the subscribe button if you've yet to done that, and make sure to click the bell so you get notified every time we post a video. Thanks for watching.